At a flower shop.
Hi. I need some flowers for my mother's birthday.
Hello. What kind of flowers does she like?
She loves red roses and white lilies.
We have some beautiful fresh roses that arrived this morning.
Oh, they look lovely. How much are they?
They are $3 per stem.
Can I have 10 red roses, please?
Of course. And what about the lilies?
How much are those?
They are $5 each.
I'll take 3 lilies too.
Would you like me to wrap them in a bouquet?
Yes, please. Use some nice paper and a ribbon.
What color ribbon would you like?
A pink one, please. It's her favorite color.
Great choice. Would you like a small card to write a message?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Here is a pen and a card.
Done. How much is the total?
That will be $45 altogether.
Here is $50.
And here is your change. Your bouquet is ready.
It looks amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful birthday celebration.
Renting a bike.
Hello, I'd like to rent a bike for the afternoon.
Sure, we have city bikes and mountain bikes.
I just want to ride around the park, so a city bike is fine.
How many hours would you like to keep it?
Probably for 3 hours. How much is that?
It's $5 per hour, so $15 total.
Does that include a helmet?
Yes, the helmet and a lock are included for free.
Great. Do I need to leave my ID?
Yes, please. I will return it when you bring the bike back.
Here is my ID card.
Thank you. Which size do you need? Large or medium?
I think a large one is better for me.
Try this blue one. Is the seat height okay?
It's a bit too low. Can you help me adjust it?
Of course. How is it now?
This is perfect. Very comfortable.
Remember to use the lock if you stop anywhere.
I will. Is there a bike map of the park?
Yes, here is a small map. The red lines are the bike paths.
Thank you, Mia. That's very helpful.
You're welcome. Have a safe ride.
Thanks. See you later.
Talking about a vacation. Hi Ethan, how was your trip to Italy last week?
It was wonderful, Ruby. I had a great time.
Which cities did you visit?
I went to Rome, Florence, and Venice.
Wow. Which one was your favorite?
I loved Venice. The canals are so beautiful.
Did you go on a gondola ride?
Yes, it was a bit expensive but worth it.
How was the food? I heard Italian pizza is the best.
It really is. I ate pizza or pasta every single day.
I would do the same. Was the weather nice?
It was sunny and very warm the whole time.
Did you take many photos?
Over 500. I can show you some on my phone.
I'd love to see them. Who did you go with?
I went with my younger brother.
Does he speak any Italian?
Only a few words like buongiorno and grazie.
That's more than I know. When did you get back?
We arrived home late Sunday night.
Are you tired today?
A little bit, but I'm still very happy about the trip.
I want to go to Italy next year too.
You should. It's a fantastic country.
Asking for the Wi-Fi password.
Excuse me, is this the reception desk?
Yes, it is. How can I help you, sir?
I'm staying in room 302, but I can't connect to the Wi-Fi.
I'm sorry about that. Did you enter the password?
I don't have the password. Where can I find it?
It is usually on the small card inside your key folder.
Oh, I must have missed it. Can you tell me what it is?
Of course. The network name is Grand Hotel_Guest.
Okay, I see that one. And the password?
It's Welcome 2024 with a capital W.
Let me try. WELCOME2024.
Is it working now?
It says connecting. Oh, wait. It failed.
Let me check the system. Sometimes it's a bit slow.
Is the Wi-Fi free for all guests?
Yes, it is free and unlimited in all rooms and the lobby.
Maybe I should restart my phone.
Yes, that often helps. Try it now.
Okay, it's back on. Let me try again.
Make sure there are no spaces in the password.
Success. It's working now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
No, that's all. Have a nice evening.
You too, Mr. Noah.
At the pharmacy.
Hello, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Hello. Let me see. Yes, I have this medicine in stock.
That's good. My doctor said I need to take it for 7 days.
That's correct. This is for your ear infection, right?
Yes, my left ear has been hurting since Monday.
Okay. You need to take one pill every 12 hours.
Should I take it before or after I eat?
It's better to take it after a meal with a glass of water.
Are there any side effects?
You might feel a little sleepy.
Should I avoid driving?
If you feel very tired, then yes, please don't drive.
Understood. Do you have any vitamins for energy?
Yes, we have these vitamin C tablets. They are very popular.
I'll take a small bottle of those too.
Anything else? Some aspirin or Band-Aids?
No, just the medicine and the vitamins, please.
Okay. The total is $32.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, we accept mobile payments. Just tap here.
There we go.
Thank you. Here is your bag and the instructions.
Thank you for your help, Sarah.
You're welcome, James. I hope you feel better soon. Lost item at the park.
Excuse me. Did you see a small blue wallet on this bench?
No, I didn't. I just sat down here 5 minutes ago.
Oh no. I think I left it here when I was reading earlier.
What does it look like exactly?
It's dark blue, leather, and it has a small silver zipper.
Was there anything important inside?
Yes, my ID card, my credit card, and some cash.
Don't worry. Let's look around the grass.
I already checked near the trees, but I couldn't find it.
Maybe you dropped it near the ice cream stand?
I didn't go there. I walked from the lake to here.
Let's walk back to the lake and look carefully.
That's a good idea. Thank you for helping me.
No problem. I'm Bella, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Bella. I'm Leo. I'm very stressed right now.
Stay calm, Leo. Most people in this park are very honest.
Wait. Look. Is that something blue under that bush?
Where? Oh, yes. Near the big oak tree.
Yes. It's my wallet.
Is everything still inside?
Yes, my cards and my money are all here.
That's wonderful news. You are very lucky.
Thank you so much for looking with me, Bella.
I'm just happy you found it. Have a better day now.
I definitely will. Goodbye.